In this section, we dive into the fundamentals of Python programming. Whether you're completely new to programming or just new to Python, this section will provide a solid foundation for writing Python code effectively. We'll start with the classic Hello World program, giving you a gentle introduction to how Python works. From there, you'll learn how to store and manipulate data with variables, understand basic and composite data types, and explore Python's powerful operators for performing calculations and comparisons. You'll also be introduced to control structures like conditionals and loops, which allow your programs to make decisions and repeat tasks efficiently. As you progress, you'll see how Python helps you manage more complex tasks with features like break, continue, and pass statements, which give you control over loop execution. Alongside this, we'll take a look at how to add comments to your code and format output using f-strings, making your programs more readable and organized. You'll also learn about user input and how to organize your Python files for better project structure. We'll then explore how to work with command line arguments, allowing your Python scripts to accept input directly from the command line. Next, we'll cover the basics of functions, including how to define, call, and organize them efficiently. We'll also explore advanced function concepts, including lambdas, higher-order functions, variable-length arguments, closures, recursion, and decorators. Error handling will also play an important role in ensuring that your programs are robust, and you'll learn how to manage errors using try-except blocks and other techniques. This section will also introduce file I/O operations, helping you work with files to read, write, and manage data. Lastly, we'll explore debugging in VS Code, where you'll learn how to find and fix errors in your code to make sure everything runs smoothly. By the end of this section, you'll have a strong grasp of Python basics and be ready to tackle more advanced programming concepts. Let's get started.